Good afternoon all. Last days we have learned about skewness. Skewness is a measure of asymmetry. We have learned different types of measures of skewness. First we have learned about Pearson's coefficient of skewness, which is mean minus mode by standard deviation, or 3 into mean minus median by standard deviation. Next we have learned about quartile coefficient of skewness. Then we learned percentile coefficient of skewness, and last day we have learned about moment coefficient of skewness. Today we have the concept of kurtosis. Let's move to the questions. Kurtosis is the degree of peakness of a distribution, usually taken relative to a normal distribution. We can learn about normal distribution later. A distribution having a relatively high peak is called leptokurtic, and having flat topped is called platykurtic. The normal distribution, which is not very peaked or not very flat topped, is called mesokurtic. This is the figure. So the peaked, high peaked is leptokurtic, the average one the mesokurtic, and the small peak it's called platykurtic. Now one measure of skewness uses the fourth moment about the mean expressed in the dimensionless form and is given by moment coefficient of skewness, which is equal to A4, which is equal to M4 by S raised to 4, which is equal to M4 by M2 square. For the normal distribution we have A4, the value of A4 is equal to 3. For this reason, the kurtosis is sometimes defined by A4 minus 3, which is positive for a leptokurtic curve, negative for a platykurtic curve, and 0 for the normal distribution. Another measure of kurtosis is based on both quartiles and percentiles and is given by K equal to Q divided by P90 minus P10, where Q is equal to half into Q3 minus Q1 is the semi-interquartile range. We have already learned about how to evaluate these coefficients. We refer to this constant K is kappa as the percentile coefficient of kurtosis. For the normal distribution, K was the value 0.263, and if kappa is greater than 0.263, the distribution is leptokurtic, and if K less than 0.263, the distribution is platykurtic. Now let's move to some solved examples of the problems of kurtosis. First problem is find the moment coefficient of skewness A4 for the following distribution. So height in inches 60, 62, frequency is 5, 63, 65, frequency is 18, 66, 68, frequency is 42, 69, 71, frequency is 27, 72, 74, frequency is 8. Now for the solution we have x. We can take the average value of that class 61, 64, 67, 70, 73, and frequency is the corresponding frequencies F 5, 18, 42, 27, 8. Now we have to choose the middle value as A. So we can choose 67 as A. Now we have to find U equal to X minus A by C. We can take C as 60, the interval, the difference between two successive X. So it's 3. And we can take the middle value as 0. So this U equal to 0. So this is minus 1, minus 2. For downward 1, 2. So F U is equal to 5 into minus 2, minus 10, 18 into minus 1, minus 18, 42 into 0, 0, 27 into 1, 27, 8 into 2, 16. So the sum is 15. And F U square 5 into minus 2 all square 20, 18 into minus 1 all square 18, 42 is 0, 0, 27 into 1, 1, 8 into 2 square 32. Now FUQ f u square into u, 20 into minus 2, minus 40, 18 into minus 1, minus 18, 0, 27 into 1, 27, 32 into 2, 64, f u raised to 4. Again multiply f u cube into u, minus 40 into minus 2, 80, minus 18 into minus 1, 18, 0 into 0, 0, 27 into 1, 27, 64 into 2, 128. So the sum is 15, 97, 33, 253. So m1 dash is equal to C into sigma fu by capital N. Sigma fu is equal to 15. 3 into 15 by capital N is equal to 100. So 0.45. m2 dash is equal to C square into sigma fu square by N, which is equal to C equal to 3. 3 square is 9. 9 into 97 by 100. Which is equal to 873 by 100. It's equal to 8.73. m3 dash is equal to C cube sigma fu cube by N, which is equal to 27 into 33 by 100. 891 by 100 is equal to 8.91. And m4 dash is equal to C raised to 4 sigma fu raised to 4 by N. C is 3. 3 raised to 4 is 81. Sigma fu raised to 4 is 252 by 100. So the value is 20,493 by 100, which is equal to 204.93. Thus m2 is equal to m2 dash minus m1 dash square, which is equal to 8.73 minus 0.45 square, which is equal to 8.5275. m4 is equal to m4 dash minus 4 m1 dash m3 dash plus 6 m1 dash square m2 dash minus 3 m1 dash raised to 4, which is equal to 204.93 minus 4 into 0.45 into 8.91 plus 6 into 0.45 square into 8.73 minus 3 into 0.45 raised to 4, which is equal to 204.93 minus 16.038 plus 10.607 minus 0.123, which is equal to 199.376. Hence, the moment coefficient of kurtosis A4 is equal to m4 by m2 square, which is equal to 199.376 divided by m2 square, 8.5275 square, which is equal to 2.74. Since A4 we got the value is less than C, less than 3, so the distribution is platykatic. Now next problem is find the moment coefficient of kurtosis A4 for the following distribution. So class is 0 to 10, frequency is 12, 10 to 20 frequency 80, 20 to 30 frequency 27, 30 to 40 frequency 20, 40 to 50 frequency 17, 50 to 60 frequency 6. So for the solution, x is equal to the average value of class 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, and f is equal to the frequency 12, 18, 27, 20, 17, 6. The middle value, let's take 25 as a. Now we can find u is equal to x minus a by the difference between the successive class as c by 10. So for a the value is 0, the value of u is 0, and on top of that minus 1, minus 2, and here 1, 2, 3 for downwards. Now you have to find fu. 12 into minus 2 minus 24, 18 into minus 1 minus 18, 27 into 0 0, 20 into 1 20, 17 into 2 34, 6 into 3 18. So the sum is 30. Now fu square, fu into u, minus 24 into minus 2 48, minus 18 into minus 1 18, 0, 20 into 1 20, 68 into 34 into 2 68, 18 into 3 54. The sum is 208. fu cube, fu square into u, 48 into minus 2 minus 96, 18 into minus 1 minus 18, 0, 20, 68 into 2 136, 54 into 3 162. So the sum is 204. fu raised to 4, minus 96 into minus 2 192, minus 18 into minus 1 18, 0, 20 into 1, 20. 136 into 2, 272. 162 into 3, 486. Hence, m1 dash is equal to c into sigma fu by n, which is equal to 10 into 30 by 100, which is equal to 3. m2 dash c square into sigma fu square by n, 100 into 10 square is 100. 208 by 100, which is equal to 208. m3 dash c cube, sigma fu cube by n. C cube is 10, cube is 1000. Sigma fu cube is 204 by 100, which is equal to 2040. And m4 dash is equal to c raised to 4 sigma fu raised to 4 by n, which is equal to 10 raised to 4 is 10,000 into 988 by 100, which is 98,800. Thus, m2 is equal to m2 dash minus m1 dash square, which is equal to 208 minus 3 square is equal to 199. m4 is equal to m4 dash minus 4m1 dash m3 dash plus 6m1 dash square m2 dash minus 3m1 dash raised to 4, which is equal to 98,800 minus 4 into 3 into 2040 plus 6 into 3 square into 208 minus 3 into 3 raised to 4, which is equal to 98,800 minus 24,480 plus 11,232 minus 243, which is equal to 85,309. Hence, the moment coefficient of kurtosis A4 is equal to m4 by m2 square, which is equal to 85,309 by 199 square, which is equal to 2.15. Since A4 is less than 3, the distribution is platy-kurtic. Now we have next problem. Find the percentile coefficient of kurtosis kappa for the wage distribution of 65 employees at the PR company. Now the wages is 250 to 59.99, number of employees 8, 260 to 69.99, number of employees 10, 270 to 79.99, number of employees 16, 280 to 89.99, number of employees 40, 290 to 99.99, number of employees 10, 300 309.99, number of employees 5, 310 319.99, number of employees 2. So total number of employees is equal to 65. To find the solution, we have to find the quartiles and percentiles. For that, we have the class is 250 to 59.99, frequency is 8, the cumulative frequency is 8. The next 260 to 69.99, frequency is 10, cumulative frequency 8 plus 10, 18. 270 to 79.99, frequency is 16, cumulative is 18 plus 16, 34. 280 to 89.99, frequency is 14, 34 plus 14, 48. 290 to 99.99, frequency is 10, cumulative frequency is 58, 40 plus 10, 58. 300 309.99, frequency is 5, cumulative frequency is 58 plus 5, 63. 310 399.99, frequency is 2, 63 plus 2, 65. So we have to find the first 65 by 10, 6.5, which is lies in the first class. So the P10 lies in this class, 250 to 59.99, and P90 65 into 90 by 100, which is lies in this class, 300 309.99, and n by 4, 60 by 5 by 4, which is equal to 16.25, lies in 260 to 69.99. So Q1 class is 260 to 69.99, and 65 by 2, 32.5, which is lies in this class, 270 to 79.99, is 34. Here it is 34, so 32.5 is in this class. Now 3n by 4, which is 48.75, which is lies in this class. This is 58. 290 to 99.99. Hence, Q1 is equal to L1 plus n by 4 minus m into c by f. L1 is 259.995 plus n by 4 is 16.25. The corresponding frequency of the cumulative frequency just above the Q1 class is 8 into C is 10 by F. The corresponding frequency of that class is 10. So the value is 268.245. and Q3 is equal to L1 plus 3n by 4 minus m into C by F, which is equal to 289.995 plus 3n by 4 is 48.75. The cumulative class just above is 48 into 10 by 10, which is equal to 290.745, and Q is equal to half into Q3 minus Q1, which is equal to half into 290 minus 745 minus 268.245. Its answer is 11.25. n by 100 is equal to 0.65. So for 10n by 100 is equal to 6.5. So the first percentile class, 10th percentile class lies in the class 250, 259.99, and 90n by 100 is equal to 58.5. So the cumulative frequency after 58.5 lies here, 300, 309.99. So the class is the P90th class is 300, 309.99. Now the value of P10, the formula is L1 plus 10n by 100 minus m into C by F, which is equal to 249.995 plus 6.5 minus the cumulative frequency just above the class 0 into 10 by 8, which is equal to 258.12. P90 is equal to L1 plus 90n by 100 minus m into C by F, which is equal to 299.995 plus 58.5 minus 58 into 10 by 5, which is equal to 300.995. Thus, the percentile coefficient of kurtosis is kappa, which is equal to Q by P90 minus P10, which is equal to 11.25 by 300.995 minus 258.12, which is equal to 0.262. Since kappa for the normal distribution is 0.263, it follows that the given distribution is mesokurtic, that is about as peak as the normal curve, almost 2.263. So this is mesokurtic.